Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this episode, we're going to look at how to sign up for Twitter. So let's get straight into it. So signing up for Twitter is a very quick process. We're starting our journey in the Google homepage. We're having a very quick search for Twitter. As you can see, very first option, top of the page. If we click on that, that takes us to the Twitter homepage. The option we're interested in today is sign up. So let's click on sign up. First thing it'll ask you for is your name. Now, this is the name by which you want your Twitter account to be known. Next, it asks you for phone, or you can use email instead. We're going to use email, but you choose what's right for you. Next option, it asks you for your date of birth. So if you scroll down and put in your date of birth, and then to move on, we click on next. Asks you for a few more options here. Firstly, whether you want to receive emails about Twitter activity. In this case, I do, so I'm going to click yes. Next option, connect with people you know. So other people will be able to find you on Twitter using the email address you've just entered. If you just entered a phone number, then they'll be able to find you using that phone number. In this case, I'll click yes. And then the last option is whether you want to see personalized ads. In this case, I don't, so I'll skip that one and I'll move on to next. So it's asking us now just to confirm our information that we've just entered and we will click sign up. So a verification code has been sent to our email. So first thing we want to do is get that email verification code. Okay, so let's enter the verification code that was sent to the email. And click next. So now Twitter has asked us for a password. So let's enter a secure password. Note the criteria determined on the left. If it doesn't meet the criteria, then it won't be accepted. Seems to like that. So now Twitter has asked us for a profile picture. So you don't have to add a profile picture, but if we just pick the latest one, you can see you can tweak it. Make it very big, very small. I think for my purposes, yeah, I think that'll do. I'm happy with that. And let's click apply. Next. Describe yourself. So this is where you tell the world a little bit about yourself. If someone looks at your profile account on Twitter, this is what they will see. So a little bit about Woggle Guides and click next. The next option it talks about is finding your friends on Twitter. If people that you know are on Twitter, you can upload contact details directly. In this case, we're going to not do that. Let's click not now. Nearly at the end, it asks you for the things that are interesting to you. So for our purposes then, if we go through and we pick out just the things that are interesting to us. And again, choose as few or as many as you think are appropriate for you. Click next. And there you have some suggestions for people to follow. So for our purpose, we can take a look, see who we like. And if we click those, to move on, just click this button at the top. And the last option here is notifications, where you can turn on notifications for Twitter. In our case, we'll allow them. And as you can see, we're now on the Twitter homepage. You can see that the profile picture we uploaded is shown here. And we've got some Twitter posts from those users who you followed when you were setting up the process. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful. If you have, please click like or subscribe below so that other users can find it too.